Yung makeup si Jeremy, mukhang kuya. Good yan. Hindi ka siya sa screen. Hindi ka siya sa screen. Kahit i-zoom. Train kasi sila ng Koreano. Doon sila nag-train sa South Korea.
Wala parang gayang-gayang.
Oo. Ang manager nila Korean.
Kahit di ko alam kung famous talaga. Pero
Mas naman po sila.
sa kapila pala si Kim. Anong pangalan ko ng grupo?
Horizon. Ori, tapos 7, OE. Isa sa mismo.
Parang one.
Ito naman, ito yung nakapaligod na itim. May pagka-Thailand yan. Thailand, Philippines.
Galing, parang nag-audition yung mga yan.
Rename talaga sila sa pero yung ahok, nag-i-en naman ng Pilipino doon. Hati-hati din doon. Ito talaga, mga Pilipino lang siya. Ito lang nag-iisa si Kim na Thailand.
Yung mga kanina, gagwapo din.
Pero mas gapos.
Pero kasi pag tinitigan mo, parang
Wala na.
hindi tunay.
Pero ito talaga, tinrain talaga sila.
Hindi parang
Wala yun na yun. Ganun talaga yun. Mga vision. Vision naman yun. Ayun yung si Jeremy, yung kasali sa Star of the Floor sa GMA. Oo, yun doon, no. May Pinas dito. Siya yung kasali din sa Star of the Floor sa GMA.
may concert
O sa Raneta, sa dadating na April. Ayan sila. Bata pa, medyo days yan.
Meron naman yung yung senior ginawa ko na sinorture ng mga manager doon sa Norwest. Namatay yung gwapo na sikat din sa ibang bansa. Yung
Natapos naman ako sa YouTube.
gwapo niya, as sikat na sikat yung mga ng ganyan. Parang
Ano yung K-pop?
parang gano'n ang niya. Tapos sikat din sa mga Korean band. Mga kanta.
Natakot naman ako sa wala dito noon. Wala sa Philippines noon.
Inalita. Gwapo na. Pinorture daw ng manager.
Baka yung Chinese. Oo, Chinese. Hindi kasi may utang kasi daw.
Grabe naman ginawa nila.
Ayun nga, yun naman yung ginawa nila.
Pinorture kasi yun. Parang nag-ano sila ng hostage.
Parang hindi naman na pinapansin na ngayon. Napanood ko yun sa Instagram. Diyos ko, pakantahin niyo na. Nakinig na kayo. Gagabihin na ako.
At may upuan.
Hindi, kanina pa kami nakaupo eh. Sinanda ko talaga yung paa ko eh. Pakantayin niyo na please. Sa kaya ko pupwesto para makita silang lahat. Alas 9 pa ba? Ala, alas 9 na. Wala na talaga. Babas na talaga ako. Diyan, anong sasakyan mo? Paayala ka ba?
Iba ako ng ano,
Shangri-La.
flats.
Tapos, 9 na eh. Baka wala nang MR.
Nakaring ko na lang.
Sa Shangri-La ako. Hindi ko alam doon yung bus eh.
Siyempre na. Okay na.
Sa may ano, showblock.
Sa may ano,
Mega Mall.
Mega Mall.
Hindi ko alam doon yung bus. Gahanap patuloy ako. Nandito pala kita sila lahat. Pakantayin nyo na, please. Dito naman si Jeremy lang. Yung si Marcus, paano nung ginagawa? Sana, gabi na ako talaga. Bahala na si Basman.
Wanting somebody, we all want someone. And when we feel lonely,
Alas 9 na, pakantahin nyo na. Gabi na.
Sa closing mamaya.
Ganon.
need somebody.
Iko-closing pa pala to. Sila magko-close ng SM.
Yung 9 na nga tayo yung pin.
Ito. Diyos ko, wala nang MRT.
Have you ever been to Rio, to Jamaica or Tokyo?
Now, welcome to the final segment of our Wednesday Get Together here on the Road Show. My name is DJ Adam. We are live from on board the iconic Wish 1075 bus, which today is parked right here at SM City East Ortigas. Once again, massive shout outs to the team from behind the scenes here at SM City East Ortigas. Maraming salamat for, taking care of us, for the warm welcome as always. And extended gratitude also go out to all of the people outside. Thank you so much, Anchor! Make some noise! Without further ado, we give you the grand wish list comeback of Horizon. Boys, welcome back. Kamusta?
Yes, hello. Thank you for having us back.
Yes, sir. Our sincere pleasure to have you on board. Please introduce yourselves if you got that routine going on. Anytime now.
Hi guys, my name is Winston. Hey guys, this is Vinci. Hello everyone, this is Marcus. My name is Kim. I am Racer. I'm Jeremy. Hello everyone, my name is Tyler. And we are Horizon!
Yes, sir. 7 very talented and intelligent gentlemen, and now they're back on board the Wish Bus. And we're saying 2026 so far. How is it shaping up for y'all?
You just saw your idol the other day. Oh yeah, no, I just got from a concert. Like,
Central C, is this?
yeah.
Awesome stuff. You kind of sound like him. Were you from
No.
The UK?
No. I just really like it that much.
I see.
And then yeah, I feel like this year for all of us, in terms of our work space, I feel like more hands-on with everything that's going on with our releases. That's always fun.
You sound like you're from London, Gamda. I'm just kidding, my bro. Hey, we're just vibing out here. And syempre, kailangan natin pasalamatan yung Anchor kasi iba sa kanila after lunch pa lang, nakatutok na dito sa ating live venue. So speak to the Anchor. Go ahead.
Hi, Idol! Hi, Idol! Buti malamig ngayon, no? Malamig ba dyan? Okay na.
Yes!
Kasi we actually have something prepared.
Yes, sir. Speaking of malamig, this first song you're gonna do, it's entitled Cold.
Yes.
Right, so ano yung backstory dito? Ano yung essence of its core message?
Yeah, the core message of Cold is to show the cold feelings that you feel when you like someone, when you're attracted to someone. And actually, this song is a year old yesterday. Yeah. So this is like the anniversary performance for Cold. So I hope you guys
Awesome. Full circle moment
Yes,
for the boys of Horizon. Track it down to Cold on Wish 1075.
How did our feelings turn to smoke? When you smile, it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body know. Temperatures dropping as we speak. Things are freezing when I see those eyes grow warm like the sun before. You say, suddenly it's goodbye to the sunrise. Hey, didn't want it to end, let's go back. No matter what I say, we can't go back, doesn't matter what I say. Without you, life's rough, but if I still know how. Think you want, oh, I'm feeling it. Think you want what my heart's telling me, oh no. Okay, maybe I'll forget about our taste, but even then, you're honestly stuck in my veins. How did our feelings turn to scope? When you smile, it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body know. Temperatures dropping as we speak. Hands are freezing when I see those eyes were warm like the sun before. You're so cold. You're so cold. Those eyes were warm like the sun before. Yeah. You're so cold. 008, go to speech all day. Turn the leader up here. Yeah. Can you please look at me? All my knees is begging. Give me your attention. You are trying cold things I remember. What's it meaningless? I do wonder. Tell me before I don't head off. Yeah. How did I feel inside the store? When you smile, it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body know. Temperatures dropping as we speak. Hands are freezing when I see those eyes were warm like the sun before. You're so cold. Hey. You're so cold. Feelings turn to scope. When you smile, it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body know. Temperatures dropping as we speak. Hands are freezing when I see those eyes were warm like the sun before.
For the light of the anchors right here at SM City East Ortigas, we got Horizon with that track entitled Cold. And from an upbeat track, medyo we're gonna pinch their hearts a little bit.
Yes.
With Luno. Kanino hugot ba to? Kanino mga letra tong Luno?
Well, actually, this is written by J.O. Sarmiento.
Shoutouts.
Oh yes, shout out to him. And yeah, this song was inspired by a That's what I heard from him. It was from a crush. And then we also included elements of our anchors with it because it's Lunod and our anchors, di ba? Lunod na ba ang aming mga anchors? Yes.
Yes, sir. They could relate to it. This is now out on major digital
Yes.
platforms. I'm inviting everybody to have it downloaded and streamed.
So Lunod is that's our latest single, so hope you guys check it out. It's out everywhere.
Yeah. And the special film as well is also out on YouTube. So if you haven't watched that yet, please do.
Yes, sir. So we got this great picture, by the way, sa ating radio listeners. We got three gentlemen dressed in white, comfortably seated sa likod nila.
Wala sa kamay, papatayin ko na.
And the men in black barely spoke tonight. I'm gonna give you this moment. Baka meron kayong gusto. What we pasalamatan. Jets, go ahead. Very well said.
Okay. Yeah, finally, hindi pa na nakatayo sila kasi talaga yung introvert.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Well, of course, we just want to thank you yung mga actors na pumunta dito kasi it's already 9:21 p.m.
Yep.
And still nandito sila and yeah, we love you guys. Thank you for your all efforts. Yeah.
And sa mga nanonood ng live namin, and syempre, sana kumain na din kayo. Kami kumain na kami. Pero kaya na din kayo. Thank you.
Right after our performance.
There you go. That's very candid. Maraming salamat. And yes, sadly, we are down to the end of this segment. But before we
Lakas na talaga ako nito.
feel this, Horizon on Wish 1075.
Sinanatan lang. Para kay Jeremy.
At sabay tayo maglalakbay na may lamay iyong lumbay. Kasama mo tunay sa ngiti Sasagipin kung akong dahilan ng pagkalulutay ang pag-ibig mo. Walang palaging ng dagat para masukat ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Pamasdan pag loob na sa pagdating dahil na alon kapag maihanay natatali ka. Ay nakita nila wala nang papalit pa sa'yo. Lunurin mo ako. Ang pag-ibig mo, ang pag-ibig mo, ang pag-ibig mo, ang pag-ibig mo. Sasagipin mo ba kung dahilan ng pagkalulutay ang pag-ibig mo? Ako'y di na mawawala sa piling mo. Ako'y naanod, hindi na aahon. Makita lang ang dulo ng iyong paraiso. Na ako'y lagi sa'yo.
Ayan na. Uwi na tayo.
Wish 1075 Horizon with that track entitled Dulo now out on major digital streaming platforms. Maraming salamat, boys. And yes, sana na-enjoy niyo ang inyong Wish Plus comeback.
Thank you sa mga nanonood. Thank you sa nag-give. Thank you sa mga nag-like, share, and everyone.
Next month,
Thank you very much.
April 19, we are going to be attending, performing, and representing the Philippines for Round Festival.
Hindi kami nanalo. Kaya sila sinundan ko dito. Hindi kami nanalo.
If you haven't gotten your tickets yet, I hope you can see them.
Oo, ticket siya,
Let's go.
rapo.
Maraming salamat.
Dalawang araw sila may round festival.
Of course, guys, right now,
Yung
yung
ticket
show
nga,
ko na starts on the 4 is
manonood.
ongoing and I hope you guys watch there. And
Dalawang
yes,
best
for
kami
every
sumali,
Sunday,
kahit isa
every
wala.
Sunday, 7:50 p.m.
Jimmy 7. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kaya dito,
Ano bang ticket?
wala.
Hindi, pagbabayaran.
Wala. Free talaga. Irarapol lang. Hindi kami nanalo kasi dito ko na lang siya sinundan.
There you go. We got to skedaddle out of here on the
At least nakita ko sila
for the road
dito,
show. But hey, we
face
got
to
no
face
shortage of
again.
talent every single day. Maraming salamat. Before we
Thank
actually
you
bounce
sa mga
out,
nanood.
we holler at this Eileen of the
Sa mga
fastest rising
nagla-like
sports
and
brand in the
share.
country.
Thank you,
Philippines.
Ann,
Besides, we're
OT7.
sweating up on the Daily Cougar.
Thank you very much. Ikaw yata nakarami ng likes ko. Si Marcos.
Happy birthday and message shoutouts to the rest of the Cougar Athletic Trends family. This has been your bro, DJ Adam. Ciao, peace, and see you tonight. This is the one, the
Ay,
only.
sasarado na namin ang SM. Diyos ko Lord. Sa kaya sila bababa? Dito o dito? Sa kaliwa ba o sa kanan? Mag-wish. Click here. Mag-click here sila. Mablakak. Ako pa dyan. Thank you. Uwian na tayo. Jack and Poy, hali hoy. Kaya sila dada. Saan pinto kaya? Saan pinto kaya sila dada? Jeremy, nandito ang ante mo. I'm here, your tita. Saya na saya si Mike.
Tickets for Wish Date Rewrite go on sale tomorrow, March 19 at
Bukas
12 noon.
titingnan ko yan
Featuring Ako Hiking
kung
Society,
magkano yung GA nila.
and Akira. Get
Manonood
yours
kami.
via SM Tickets at smtickets.com.
Sila, la la la. Saan kaya sila dadaan?
Pwede naman.
Tickets for Wish Date Rewrite go on sale tomorrow, March 19 at 12 noon, featuring Apple Hiking Society, Over October, and Akio. Get yours via SM Tickets at smtickets.com.
Ayaw pa nila umuwi. Buti pa sila may sasakyan. Ako wala. Tapos din yan na yan. Si Jeremy.
Tickets for Wish Date Rewrite go on sale tomorrow, March 19 at 12 noon, featuring Apple Hiking Society, Over October, and Akio. Get yours via SM Tickets at smtickets.com.
49 likes na ako. Thank you sa inyo lahat. Abutin nyo na ng 100. Para matuwa si Uncle TikTok na marami pala nagla-like. Kahit di na sila nag-gift, di ba? Basta nagla-like. Ay, parang ayaw pa nila umuwi. Mababas na talaga ako. Wala na akong masakyan. 10 na, magte-10 na. Saan kaya ang 1 Ayala?
Wish Date Rewrite go on sale tomorrow, March 19 at 12 noon, featuring Apple Hiking Society, Over October, and Akio. Get yours via SM Tickets at
1 Ayala ako.
smtickets.com.
Ay, ayaw pa nila umuwi Bakit ayaw ka? Titingnan kung okay yung kinanta nila. Kasi kung hindi okay, uulitin. Ay, iba yung driver nila.
Tickets for Wish Date.
Sa habang buhay, magkapiling kami, magkasama ka sa ganang panalangin ko. Bayan, puso ito, mawala sa aking piling, magkakaroon iyong sa habang buhay, magkapiling kami, magkasama ka sa ganang panalangin ko. Puso ito, mawala ka sa aking piling, mahal ko iyong Thank you. Hi, wishers. We are
Nakadadaan. Saan kayo dadaan?
exclusive videos. Click here to subscribe.
Kasi nanalo ang auntie niya sa round eh. Dito ko na lang sila pinuntan. Tatapusin ko talaga to. Saan kayo dadaan? Diyan. Dito. Dito kayo dadaan. Dito kayo. Kabila. Ay, buti pa si auntie. Sana all. Sana all.
Ako naman, gusto mong i-break na borders talaga. During our early days,
Ano?
we were
Bababa na si Jeremy. Ay, sorry po.
Ano pala nandun tayo, te? Dito tayo.
All I want you like a raindrop. Way that you looking is straight off. Girl, you make me sighs like a cigarette in your eyes. I'm thinking God because you're mine. I love you more every night. You're mine, you're mine, oh mine. So divine, so divine. Baby, you're so divine. Like a man wanna play first. You be the sun of my universe. Down on my knees until it hurts. So pretty to even me from this earth. 'Cause girl, you make me see the light. You take me for a ride and to the other side. It's like a cigarette in your eyes. I'm thinking God because you're mine. I love you more every night. And you're mine.
Pakulit nila. Pakulitan nila. Pakulit nila.
Baby, you're so divine. Then my blessings will come. No blessings, praise answer, no question. My only confession is you.
Wait talaga ni Bunso. Kahit kailan. Talaga ni Bunso. Wala akong masabi. Talaga ni Bunso eh. Jeremy! Silence! Sorry. Uwi na ako guys. Tama na to. Bye-bye guys. Thank you sa mga nag-like.
Ako iyong